Hey guys, Diallo here, and today we're going to be unboxing my life savings. Alright guys, so as you can see by the title, we're going to be unboxing the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch 2020 model with the LiDAR scanner. Alright, so UPS literally just dropped this off. I ordered this on the 1st of June. And it hasn't gotten to me until today. Enough rambling, let's get into the unboxing. All right, so I'm gonna switch the camera angle so you can see a lot better the actual unboxing experience. So not only am I gonna be unboxing the iPad, but I'm also gonna be unboxing the Apple Pencil, 2nd gen. This is really exciting. Well, I say 2nd gen like the 1st gen will work with it. So no, if you have an iPad Pro 2018 and newer, yeah, you're gonna need this. So if you had the previous Apple Pencil, 1st gen, like I have, so I'm actually upgrading from the 6th gen iPad. And I use my iPad as a daily driver, so it's my main computer. I find myself using my iPad a lot. However, this does have its limitations. Based on my workflow, there's a lot of stuff that I do that sometimes this just can't get it done. And I watched some reviews and I basically saw that a lot of what I wanted it to do, the iPad Pro could do. So I said, you know what, let me just upgrade and give it a shot. So coming soon, a productivity video, basically highlighting just how the iPad functions during my regular workflow. I'm gonna see if I can actually do everything I want it to do without having to use my Mac. So let's see how that goes. So in addition to unboxing, oh, and here's the 1st gen Apple Pencil, just so you know what it looks like. And I'll compare them side by side just so you can get an idea of what it's like. And I'll probably put this iPad beside this one, the 6th gen iPad, just to kind of give you like a height comparison. But yeah, let's get into it. So I'm unboxing iPad, Apple Pencil. I bought this dongle, but I'm not going to review it now. I'm going to review it in my productivity video because I feel like it's directly related to productivity. But what I will be unboxing is this case I got on Amazon from Zootop. What's it called? The Zito Top case. I don't know how to pronounce that. It's ZTOTOP case. But yeah, I'm gonna be unboxing this too. And I got a screen protector. So, without further ado, let's get into the main thing, which is the unboxing of the actual iPad. All right, so let me switch the camera angle so you can see it from a better view. All right, let's get into it. So, I believe let's get this tape off. So let me cut that tape. Oh, nice. See, this is why it's good to pay attention. I was literally about to butcher this box. Okay. I see Apple has thought this right through, which is typical Apple fashion. I love the detail that Apple puts into their product experience, the unboxing experience. All right, let's take her out. Oh wow, okay. Nothing else in the box, just a nice little box. We can toss this to the side. Okay, and here she is. Flip it around. Woo! Oh wow, okay. All right. Just make sure it focuses. All right. Focus. I want it to focus. There we go. We got the back, the front. All right, so let's go. So there's a nice little tab here to open the plastic wrapping. So let's go ahead and do that. Ready? All right, I want you to hear it. I love this part of it. All right, so we took that off, and I guess we just slide this part off. All right. There we go. Oh, this box is beautiful. I absolutely love Apple's packaging. You guys do such a phenomenal job of making these devices, I mean, not only function amazingly, but also just look exceptional. So, without further ado, let's get this box off. How do I, oh, you gotta slide it up. All right, so let's get it off. I'm so excited. Okay. Whoa, and there it is, the iPad Pro. Okay, so let's put her to this. Ooh, oh my gosh. Are you seeing this? This is wicked thin. This is ridiculously thin. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow, that's all I can say. And here we have the new camera module. This is a lot smaller and more compact than I thought it would be. It doesn't look as huge as I thought it would be. But yeah, it's nice. So there's an ultra wide on here. There's a wide angle lens, flash is there, the LiDAR scanner, microphone of course. But yeah, we'll get into this a little bit deeper in a second. I just want to look to see what else comes into the box. All right, so here we have it. Of course, your typical information packets. Let's see what comes inside there. Some instructions on how to use it. Face ID, control center, all that stuff. That's cool. We're giving people tips. There we go. Yep, it's a nice little booklet. Nice little booklet. Yep, so let's put that right there. Here we have some other instructions and stuff that nobody ever reads. Listen, one of these days, one of these companies are gonna ask us to sign off our life with one of these with the terms and conditions. One of these days, we're gonna give away the rights to our lives because nobody reads it. But fun fact, I actually do, to some degree. I don't read everything all the time, depending on how long it is, but I do kind of scan through just to see if there's anything that I should be concerned about. But yeah, Apple stickers. I love that they still give these. Fun fact, I still have my Apple stickers from my 6th gen because I haven't used them. I never know what to do with these. I love looking at them. I love the fact that they give them to me, but I seriously never know what to do with them. If you have any suggestions of what I can do with them, drop a comment. I am definitely open for ideas. But yeah, 2 Apple stickers. And that is pretty much it. So I can just put these back into their little pouch here. All right, the front, designed by Apple in California. Hopefully it shows right side up when you're watching this, but yeah, that's what it says. Okay, so included in the box, we have the USB-C cord. So Apple has ditched the Lightning connector for the iPad Pro models after the 2018 model. Well, starting with the 2018 model. So the first generation and second generation iPad Pros use the Lightning connector. I'm happy that Apple did this because USB-C is definitely the way forward. The level of connectivity and just overall functionality that it adds is exceptional, and I'm happy that Apple is not, you know, too proud to switch it up. So USB-C cord, love it. Also, a charging brick. So this is a new shape. This is actually, I believe this is the fast charger. A fast, the fast charging brick. What's the voltage of this thing? I don't know, I can't even read right now. But yeah, oh, it has a little plastic on it. Okay, so let me take that off. Ooh, shiny. Shiny, okay, and it's USB to USB, USB-C to USB-C, so both ends are USB-C. So they completely ditched the Lightning connector. Good Apple. Shout out to Brian Tong. So I'm looking forward to faster charging speeds that come with this. So yay, great. Is there anything else in here that I should know about? Nope, that's it. That is it. So I can just put this back here. I'm gonna need this, so yeah, there's that. And let me put the chargers to the side because I just want to put the box on again. So I took this off the charger and just rest it there. I keep everything, don't judge me. Okay, and let's close it. All right, and just like that. Oh, by the way, I got the 128 gigabyte model. It's the lowest model, which thank you so much, Apple, for adding that extra space. 64 gigs for an iPad Pro is ridiculous, okay? So I'm happy that y'all decided to up the space, because, you know, we definitely do need that extra space. 64 gigs. I don't burn through 64 gigs easily because I don't really do that much content. Now that's definitely gonna change because I'm recording videos, so I'm gonna need that space. So thank you so much, Apple, for that increase. I got the space gray model, Wi-Fi. I don't need cellular. I have unlimited data on my phone, so it honestly was not necessary. So we did the iPad. Let's do the Apple Pencil. Ready. Ooh. All right. Okay. So let's put that to the side as well. The Apple Pencil, 2nd generation. There we go. So this Apple Pencil has a little bit more features. I know there's something at the tip where if you tap it twice, it can toggle between tools, whether it's the pen or the highlighter or the eraser, you decide. But yeah, so let's get this bad boy. Also, something to note, they haven't updated the models that it supports on these boxes, which I mean, I understand that. You don't need to waste boxes just because you released a new model. If it works, it just works. I mean, come on, people know. At least they put the compatibility on the website, so that's good. All right, so let me, oh, there's a tab to pull it out. Ooh, all right, there we go. But let me get it to focus. Awesome. There we go. All right. Okay, so now, designed by Apple in California. Like I said before, this experience is absolutely gorgeous. They really spend a lot of time into making these products and designing these packaging. So kudos to them, I love it. So let's see here. Oh, here we have the pencil. All right, so let me just take it out before I get into the contents of what's in this. So let's take this out, stand it side by side with this. So as you can see, let me put them flat. Yeah. As you can probably see, hopefully, let me put it flat, better to do it that way. the first gen is taller. The second gen is a little bit smaller, considering, I mean, you're not connecting the Apple Pencil with this lightning connector to your iPad. There's actually a port on the side of the iPad, which you will see when I set it up, that you just snap this pencil on and it automatically connects and starts charging. So yeah, that's pretty awesome. So let me take the plastic off of this, because it's wrapped in plastic when you first get it. Oh wow, ooh, this feels good. This feels good. It's like it's a matte finish. Definitely not glossy, but it looks so beautiful. Now I'm kind of wishing I did get my Apple Pencil engraved, but this is superb. Like, I really like how this feels. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm excited to use this. All right, okay, good. So let's get into what's in this little pouch here. Of course, you know, you have the designed by Apple in California. All right, Apple Pencil, okay. So we have a little booklet. Okay, all right. All right, some instructions. I mean, I already know how to use it, so, but hey, if you don't, at least there it is. Okay. Now, I'm surprised that we don't have any extra tips. Why don't we have extra tips, Apple? Like, is this like a new, more stable, I don't know, kind of tip? But this Apple Pencil, when I bought this pencil, it came with extra tips. This does not. So I don't know what's up with that, but yeah, would have loved to gotten some extra tips just in case. I mean, my extra tips are just still sitting there, so I've never really had to use them. But hey, I don't know what the thought process was like when they decided to not include the extra tips. But hey, it is what it is. Good, so we unboxed the pencil. Let me get this case out. So let's take a look at the case. There we go. Awesome. All right, so fun story. Let's see here. Oh, yep, so this is the lifetime warranty that comes with this case. So why I got this case is because I wanted a case. All right, so of course I could have gotten the Magic Keyboard case, right? But I didn't like how singularly desktop oriented it was. It's a tablet. I like to write on my iPad. I don't always, want to have it like perched up like a laptop or a computer. I still want that tablet experience, and I find that cases like this gives me that opportunity. So what I did was I got this kind of case, so I can either put it up like this or like this if I need to type something. Awesome. So the tempered glass that's right here, it was this, okay. So installation tools, thank you for the installation tools. It comes with 2 screen protectors, so I have a backup. And what I love about this specific one is it comes with a tempered glass for the back camera. So thank you for that. And also, it also has a backup, so that works in my favor. So I'm gonna put this on, and after I put this on, then I am going to get into setting it up. All right, so back to what I was saying. So I bought this case because I still want a unique tablet experience. So with that being said, I started to look for another keyboard because well, a keyboard case, because I wanted to also have that, you know, desktop keyboard experience with the mouse and all that, at an affordable rate, because let's face it, the Magic Keyboard is very, very expensive. So I browsed and browsed and browsed, and I finally found this keyboard case. And I've been using this on my iPad 6th generation just to kind of get an idea of how it works. And let me tell you guys, I am absolutely amazed. So I am going to review this in my productivity video, and talk a little bit more about what exactly this is and to show you how it works. So look out for that video. I'll add a link to this video if I've already released it by the time you're watching this. So you can go check it out yourself and see what this is about. So stay tuned for this. So all right, let me get my iPad. Well, before I add the screen protector, I like doing this too. So let me get this out. Let me just lay it flat. There we go. So let's take this off. All right, so let's listen. Ready? And then we just... Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Look at that. 12.9 inch. Look how thin this thing is. This is so thin. I had no idea it was this thin. All right, so of course we have 2 speakers on this end, 2 speakers on that end again. So stereo speakers, USB-C port. It uses Face ID right here. So there's a camera module at the top. There are 2 microphones here at the top, 1 at the side right here. As you can see it, 2 at the top, 1 at the side, and here is where the Apple Pencil connects magnetically. So, yep, here's the back, the Apple logo, the camera, of course, wide angle, ultra wide, flash, microphone, the smart connector, if I do ever decide to get one of Apple's keyboards. And yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna get this all set up. Then we'll get into turning this baby on. Oh, guys, I forgot. The volume button. So we're all done. Now it's time for me to put the iPad in the case. Let's see how it fits. All right, it's a nice fit. I was a little worried based on the reviews that it wouldn't fit properly. By the way, I noticed those reviews after the fact, after I had already purchased it, but it's pretty tight. The only kind of flimsy side is this side, and it's not even all that flimsy. It's still pretty secure, so yeah. Yep, I like this case. I thought I was gonna have to return it, but I do like this. I think this is really nice. So let's see. All right, let me stand it up. All right, look at that. Okay, let's try this angle. Okay, all right, so let me just get some of this mess out of the way. So Apple, I don't know if this is intentional. Well, I don't think it's intentional, but just something to note. Why does it look like that? Just wow. Okay, so now the moment we've been waiting for, it's time to connect the Apple Pencil. All right. Is this the way I do it? Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Did you guys see that? All right. Double tap. Wait, let me go. What does it say? Okay, welcome to Apple Pencil. All right, continue. Explore double tap. Double tap on your Apple Pencil to switch between the tool you're using and the eraser. Okay. Done. All right. So I guess it's already paired. that was quick. All right, so let's give this a shot. And this case is so neat, like it gives me a neat little space there to prop up the pencil. And wow, listen, this refresh rate, I think this is 120 hertz refresh rate. This refresh rate makes the iPad just, this experience is just phenomenal. I am so impressed. So that's it, guys. So that is the unboxing of the iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch 128 gigabyte version, Wi-Fi, and the unboxing of the, let me just put this stuff back, Apple Pencil 2nd generation. So yeah. Also guys, if you would like the screen protector that I used and also the case that I've used, I'm gonna put a link to purchase those in the description of this video. So look down there and you'll find the links. Additionally guys, please subscribe, like this video if you liked it, share it with a friend, comment. I would love to hear what you have to say, what you think, any feedback. Yeah, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode. All right, bye.